Okay, welcome back to Organic Chemistry Decoded, where we have another practice problem to help you ace your exam. These practice problems are here focused on arrow formalism and resonance structures, and this wants us to draw the arrows to show the electron flow to get us from this structure to this structure. This one's really easy, and if you're not sure what resonance structures are, you haven't learned that in class yet, it's when you have a molecule that can't be accurately represented by a single Lewis dot structure. So it might have a couple, and we try to draw the different ones. In this case, there's two that it could be in. So we're going to draw that right here. I'm going to do this in red. Now, this is really easy. This is a single arrow. And remember, our arrows always start from the electrons. So we're going to go from these pi electrons in this double bond, which are going to move right here. And the double-headed arrow lets us know that we are moving two electrons. And then that gives us product right here. It's that easy. And if you want to look at it like this, basically what we're doing is when that double bond moves, we put a double bond right here. And so then our carbocation is wobbling on me. It goes from here to here. We'll put it there. And then we have to move our carbocation right here. Now, if you have to pick which one of these is more likely to happen, uh, it's kind of a toss up because this is secondary carbocation, but which is more stable than our primary, but this also has some conjugation here. So never know. Thank God the question doesn't ask that. So these are real easy. You should be able to do these on your exams. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get more practice problems like these and send this to a buddy that you're in organic chemistry with.